In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your Google Analytics account. In just a few steps, you'll learn how to share access effectively while ensuring that your data remains secure and manageable. Let's dive right in to make the process as seamless as possible for you. To get started, open up your preferred browser and head over to analytics.google.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your Google credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. There you'll find the Admin Gear icon. Click on that, and it will take you to a page where all administrative functions reside. Before adding a user, it's important to decide at what level you want to provide access. You'll need to determine whether this new user will require account-level or property-level permissions. If you opt for account-level access, this grants permissions across all properties associated with the account. If this is what you need, click on Account Access Management. On the other hand, if the user only requires access to a specific property, then you'll want to click on Property Access Management to restrict the access to that singular property. Once you've chosen the access level, you're now ready to add the new user. Find the plus button on your selected access management screen and click on it, then select Add Users from the drop-down menu. This action will open up a dialog box where you can proceed with adding details for the new user. Now, enter the Google email address of the person you want to add. This could be either a Gmail address or a Google Workspace email. There's an option to notify this new user via email, and checking the box to Notify New Users by Email can smooth out the process as it sends them an invitation with all the necessary details directly to their inbox. Next, you'll need to assign one or more roles to this new user. These roles determine what actions they can carry out within your Google Analytics account. An administrator has full control, including managing other users. An editor can modify settings, but doesn't have the authority to manage users. You might also consider roles like analyst, marketer, or viewer for more specialized permissions. If you're concerned about sensitive data, consider applying data restrictions by choosing options like No Revenue Metrics or No Cost Metrics. These restrictions help ensure that the user's access is appropriately limited, aligning with your privacy and security policies. Finally, to confirm all these settings and officially add the user, simply click the Add button. That's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Google Analytics account. By following these steps, you ensure that only authorized individuals have the access they need to help you manage and interpret your website's data efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow.